How much does it really cost your firm to sign a case? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. Most firms underestimate the true financial burden of in-house intake. To win 30 cases per month, you may need up to 7,200 leads annually. At $1,250 per lead, that's $9 million before intake staff costs. Admin staff and software add another $287,000 per year. The numbers are staggering, and many firms don't realize the full extent of these costs. You're spending between $13,000 and $25,000 per signed case. Legal Case Allies offers a flat rate, only for results. Visual comparison of costs with and without Legal Case Allies shows significant savings. It's a smarter, more efficient approach. You're not just paying for leads, you're paying for waste. Missed follow-ups, training mistakes, and inefficient systems cost thousands. These inefficiencies are unsustainable for your firm. It's time to rethink your approach to intake and case management. Legal Case Allies delivers flat per-case pricing. Receive pre-vetted, signed clients without hiring or software setup. Pricing ranges from $2,000 to $5,000 per case. It's a streamlined solution that eliminates unnecessary overhead. Want the full report or a custom proposal? Visit legalcaseallies.com, email us, or call text. Let's build your caseload without building an intake department. It's time to focus on what truly matters, your clients. Legal Case Allies, we deliver cases, not headaches. Join us in transforming your firm's approach to intake and case management.